There are all the places in the world. Then there's Thailand. A kingdom founded on a 2,000-year tradition of Buddhist belief. Forging into the future. I've come to find the king of Thailand's waters, the Mekong catfish, an ancient creature surviving amid the crush of people and the whirl of exotic culture. Bangkok, a vibrant capital of 8 million, living between the Buddha and the traffic jam. Supporting fishermen for centuries, these are the waters of giants. 4 of the 10 largest freshwater fish live here, and it will take Eastern knowledge and Western skill to land one of the biggest.